Have you noticed how your stride changes as the years go by? We start watching our step, afraid of tripping, our eyes constantly scanning for a handrail. Loss of balance is a silent but leading cause of falls, falls that can split your life into before and after. But I have great news for you. Balance isn't a natural gift that vanishes forever. It's a skill, just like learning to write or swim, and whether you're 50, 70, or 80, you can get it back. Today, we're going to do two important things. First, we'll do two quick tests to see just how good your balance really is. They will reveal your true biological age in terms of stability. After the tests, we'll move on to a set of exercises. We're going to wake up muscles that have been asleep for years. Before we start the tests, rule number 1, safety first. Even if you feel completely confident, it is best to stand in a corner. The walls will protect you from falling. Or at least position yourself with a wall on one side and the back of a chair on the other. If you feel dizzy during the test, don't try to be a hero. Grab onto support immediately. The first test is called the Tandem stance. It reveals how well your brain manages balance when your base of support is very narrow. Place your feet in a single line. The heel of your front foot should touch the toes of your back foot, just like you're walking a tightrope. Your task is to maintain balance in this position for 30 seconds. On my command, the timer will start counting. Ready? Let's begin. Keep your arms out to the sides for balance. Straighten your back. Look straight ahead. Hold it there. Do you feel your feet shifting slightly side to side? That's normal. That's your micro muscles searching for stability. It's important to focus on a single spot in front of you. Don't close your eyes or turn your head. If you start wobbling too much, grab onto your support immediately. 29. And stop. Did you manage it? Excellent. Then let's see if you can handle the second test. It's going to be tougher. However, if you couldn't complete this first test or stood for less than 10 seconds, don't get discouraged. Skip the next test and go straight to the first exercise, as the second one might be a bit too advanced for now. Test number 2, the Flamingo pose. This test will reveal the strength of your deep stabilizer muscles. Stand next to a wall. Keep your arms relaxed at your sides to help with balance, but keep them ready to grab the support or touch the wall instantly if you start to tip. Lift one leg, bending it at the knee. You don't need to lift it high. The main thing is standing on one leg. We'll start the countdown on my command. All right, let's begin. Stand steady. Your supporting leg might tremble a little. That's just those usually lazy muscle fibers waking up and getting to work. Don't hold your breath. Your brain needs oxygen to keep you upright. If your other foot touches the floor or you grab onto something, note the time right when that happened. That is your result. Hold it. Just a little longer. 28, 29, and done. Lower your leg. Now for the most important part, the results. Let's check them against the standards for different age groups. Ages 50 to 59. Your goal is over 30 seconds. Ages 60 to 69. Your goal is 20 to 25 seconds. Ages 70 to 79. A good result is 15 seconds. Age 80 and up. If you stood for 5 to 8 seconds, that's excellent. So, how did you do? Are you happy with your results? Pause the video right now and share your results in the comments below. For example, I'm John, I'm 74, from Nebraska, and I held it for 17 seconds. Your comment might just motivate someone else. Great, we're done with the tests. Now let's move on to the most interesting part, the exercises. There will be 5 in total. My advice? Don't skip a single one, as they target different muscle groups. We need to activate every single one of them for a confident stride. Exercise 1. One leg stand. For this exercise, you'll need that same sturdy high-back chair, an armchair, or you can just hold onto the wall. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Keep your back straight and bring your shoulder blades slightly together. Engage your core. Tighten those stomach muscles. Think of it as your natural corset supporting your lower back. As you exhale, slowly lift your right leg, bending at the knee. Raise your thigh until it's parallel to the floor, creating a 90-degree angle. Let your lower leg hang naturally. Now for the most important part, the release. As you inhale, slowly lower your leg, resisting gravity. Don't just drop it like a sack of potatoes. Place your foot on the floor softly and silently. Let's do it together. Lift the right leg. Slowly, as if moving through thick water, hold it for a second, and smoothly down. Now the left. Lift. Hold your balance and place it down softly. Pay attention because there are two common mistakes people make here. Mistake number 1, moving too fast. Remember, this is a balance exercise. You are not marching in a parade. Mistake number 2, shifting your hips. Your hips should stay stable. Don't let them jut out to the side. Imagine there is a rope running through your body, pulling you upward through the top of your head. Let's try one more time, slowly and correctly. Lift the leg, hold for 1 second, and slowly lower. Lift the other leg, hold, and lower. Keep breathing, never hold your breath. Do this exercise 10 times on each leg. And remember, this exercise should never cause pain or sharp discomfort. If it doesn't feel right, simply skip it. We've finished the first exercise. Before we move on to the second one, please hit the like button on this video. It helps YouTube find other people who might need this advice. Thank you. Moving on, the second exercise is critical for preventing accidental falls when you're out and about. We're going to strengthen the gluteus medius. This is the specific muscle that keeps your hips stable while you walk. The technique. Stand sideways next to your chair or wall. Place your hand on the support for safety. Keep your back perfectly straight. Look straight ahead, not down at your feet. Slowly lift your straight leg out to the side. At the top point, make a micro pause, literally just 1 second, to let the muscle activate. Then, return it just as slowly. Let's begin. Right leg. Lift to the side. Pause. Slowly back down. Barely touch the floor and go right back up. Lift. Feel the tension in the side of your hip and return. Common mistakes. Don't lift the leg too fast. This can lead to joint injury. Don't swing it high like a ballet dancer. If you kick too high, your hips tilt and the load shifts from the target muscle to your lower back. Don't lean your upper body to the opposite side to try and help lift the leg higher. Only the hip joint should be moving. Don't bend your knee while lifting. The working leg must stay straight. Good. Turn around to the other side. Left leg. Lift. Pause. Return. Keep the knee straight, don't bend it. To the side. Body upright. Return. Breathe steadily. Lift. Don't rush. A slow tempo makes the muscles work 3 times more effectively. And the final one, to the side and softly back. Shake out your legs, release the tension. Just like with the first exercise, we do 10 repetitions for each leg here. The third exercise is heel to toe rocks. We're going to work on the ankles. This is our foundation. The technique. Stand facing the back of the chair and rest your hands on it. Feet shoulder width apart or a little narrower. Don't lock your knees. Keep them soft and slightly bent. You can lean your body forward just slightly so your weight is centered over the balls of your feet. We are going to move like a rocking chair, but very smoothly. Slowly rise up onto your toes, high up. Feel your calves working. Smoothly lower down to your heels and without stopping, pull your toes up toward you. Now you are standing only on your heels. Let's do it again. Smoothly and with control, rise up onto your toes as high as possible. Hold for a split second, lower to a flat foot and smoothly rock back, lifting your toes off the floor so you're on your heels. Perform the exercise at a slow pace with no jerking motions. It is important to feel the tension in your calves. Now, pay attention to how not to do it. Don't go too fast. Moving on momentum reduces the muscle work and worsens your balance control. Don't swing your body. Using your body's momentum to lift yourself up, cheating, takes the load off the target leg muscles. Your torso should remain relatively stable. Don't stick your hips out. This is a posture error where your butt goes far back, causing your lower back to arch or round excessively. This messes up the biomechanics and can strain your back. And the last mistake, don't round your back. Avoid slouching or leaning your body too far forward when rising onto your toes. Did you know that doctors call the calf muscles our second heart? And that isn't just a catchy phrase. Here is the thing. Your main heart pushes blood down to your legs, But to get it back up, fighting against gravity, you need strong calves. When they contract, they act like a powerful pump. So, when you do these heel-to-toe rocks, you aren't just training your balance to stay steady on your feet. You are literally helping your heart circulate blood and protecting your vessels from stagnation and varicose veins. Two huge benefits in one simple movement. Exercise 4, the coordination cross. Our fourth exercise focuses on coordination. It might feel a bit unusual at first, but it is essential for your stability. I recommend doing this one in a corner. For extra safety, place a chair in front of you. Perfect. Now you're protected on all sides. Your standing leg is the left one. Hold on to the chair. We're going to touch the floor at 3 different points with your right foot. Pay attention to the pattern. First, touch the floor in front. Then, tap your foot out to the right. And now, the most important part, the movement to the left, the crossover. You need to carefully bring your right leg across the front of your left leg and touch the floor on the left side. This movement teaches us not to trip over our own feet. Let's try it together. Weight on the left leg, back straight, forward, a light tap with your toe, return, to the right, tap, return, to the left, crossover. Guide your right leg across the front, tap the floor on the left, and return. Repeat this movement 8 to 10 times on each leg. Keep going at that same pace. Forward, right, crossover, while I explain why this is so beneficial. In daily life, falls often happen when turning or pivoting in tight spaces, like in the kitchen or hallway. This happens when our feet get tangled up. This exercise trains your brain to sense where your feet are, even in awkward positions. We're teaching your body to maintain balance when your legs are crossed. That way, in real life, if you stumble or turn quickly, you'll stay on your feet instead of falling. Let's do one more round with this leg. Forward, return, right, return, crossover left, return. Excellent. You did a great job with a difficult task. While we take a short break before the next exercise, I have a small request. We have viewers watching from all over the world, and I'm always fascinated to know where you are tuning in from. Let me know in the comments, what country or city are you from? Maybe you're watching us from the USA, Kenya, or even Thailand. Let's do a roll call in the comments. Exercise 5, rocking the boat. And to wrap up our routine, we have exercise number 5, rocking the boat. This is an amazing movement. It calms the nervous system while providing a powerful workout for your vestibular system, your balance center. Here is an important point. Ideally, this exercise is performed without holding on and with your eyes closed. This teaches your body to balance on its own. But if you know you are prone to dizziness or you just feel a bit unsteady right now, stand behind a chair immediately. Your version is to hold on to the support. That works perfectly fine too. Let's get into position. Stand comfortably. Place your feet wide apart, significantly wider than your shoulders. This gives us a solid, stable base. Keep your knees soft and relaxed. Let your arms hang down along your body, loose and heavy. Let's start moving. Keep your eyes open for now. Begin to smoothly shift your body weight from one leg to the other. To the right, feel the weight load into your right foot. To the left, the weight shifts to the left leg. Move smoothly. No jerking. Like a pendulum. Don't lift your feet. Keep them glued to the floor. Now, let's make it a bit harder. If you are holding the chair, keep holding it. If you are standing freely, make sure a support is within reach, just in case. Take a deep breath and slowly close your eyes. Do you feel the difference? The world suddenly feels a bit wobbly. That is normal. Your brain has stopped relying on your vision and is now navigating based solely on internal sensations. Keep rocking in the dark. Right? Pause. Left? Pause. If you feel like you're on a stormy sea, don't try to be a hero. Just open your eyes or grab the chair. If you feel confident, trust the sway. Imagine you are a boat on calm waves. Your feet are anchors. They hold you firmly. A few more seconds. Enjoy the movement. Your body is learning to find balance on autopilot right now. And now, gently open your eyes. How long should you do this? To start, just 30 to 40 seconds is enough. Your goal is to gradually build up to 1 minute of continuous swaying with your eyes closed. But remember the golden rule. If you feel dizzy before that, stop immediately. Don't try to push through it or endure it. Your balance system needs gentle and gradual training. Great job. Let's take a moment right now to smile and give ourselves a pat on the back. You did an amazing job making it to the end and completing this routine. This is the best kind of self-care there is. And listen, if you felt a little wobbly today or had to grab onto the chair more often than you liked, please don't get discouraged. That is absolutely normal. Your body is simply remembering how to be steady. I have some good news for you. Our bodies are incredibly responsive. If you dedicate just 15 minutes a day to these exercises, you will feel a real difference in just a couple of weeks. You'll notice that you walk down the street with more confidence, that fear of stairs will fade away, and your stride will feel lighter and freer. Be sure to share in the comments, how do you feel? Do your legs feel lighter? And which exercise did you like the most? Subscribe to the channel so we don't lose touch and can continue working on our health together. Take care of yourself, give yourself credit for every workout, and most importantly, stand strong. See you soon.